Hello, good morning. Today I will show the idea about the geothermal energy and its application studios in the Netherlands. Geothermal energy is a very important renewable energy source. Compared to the solar and wind energy, it has small sustainable temperature and heat source is a certain depth. Geothermal energy is your ultimate clean and nature in the Netherlands. Um, Biomass and geothermal are the only available energy source able to provide a constant base load energy supply for industrial use and district heating, and therefore scaling and acceleration. Geothermal energy, however, is a cleaner form, protected locally in visible forms, has significantly less spectral impact and the lowest total investment per year. This is the classification of the geothermal energy. For the geothermal energy, it can in the Netherlands, it can be divided two types. One type is about solar energy, which can be used for the heat and cold storage and extraction and storage of some energy up to 15 and 20 degree and cold energy from our soil and groundwater with types of about 300 meters. Then he to 15.5 some really using the heat pump systems. Another is about the geothermal energy. This energy is always from the 500 and 4,000 meters. And another type is ultra depth geothermal energy. The depth is more than 4,000 meters. Uh, Today, we would like to introduce more the uh, my understanding about the geothermal shallow geothermal energy. This is about it is less than the 300 meters, and so the goals of this system is extra heat and cold storage in the ground for using during the process of high demand for heat and cold summer. And so that is it always can be used for heating and cooling buildings. This is about the soil and geothermal energy classification. Unlike in other countries, soil energy is often confused with geothermal energy. In the Netherlands, the depth of 500 meters was cited as a divided line. About the divided line, the soil protection law is applicable, and below is a minimal law and will be used for system construction. The soil temperature increases by about 3 degree for every 100-meter increase in depth. This is about the open soil energy system uses the groundwater to transfer heat into the outer of the cell. The groundwater is pumped up and the heat is exchanged with the building through a heat exchange and then returned to the soil. What is pumped from the warm well in winter and stepped into the cold wells at the same time? Where the groundwater flow is in the optimist direction in summer. Compared to open soil energy systems, the closed soil temperature energy system doesn't use the groundwater directly. In such systems, a cold or warm medium flows through a closed pipe system in the soil. If the medium is colder than the surrounding soil, it absorbs heat, and if this medium is warmer than the surrounding soil, and it cools the soil. From this picture, we can know this closed system has a long lifespan time with more than 50 years. So it's very sustainable systems. This is about legislation and regulation for the system in the Netherlands. For the open soil energy system and the water law, groundwater abstraction and amplification requires a permit. The province is the competence authority of obtaining environmental and hydraulic constants of the opening systems are invested and where possible restrict and permit before a permit is granted. Regulations are attached to permits through direct rules, and permits play an important role in ensuring soil and groundwater quality. In addition to the water law permit, an environmental impact assessment decision has to be applied for. For the closed soil energy systems, notification is required for all closed geothermal energy systems. Depending on the bottom capacity of the system, and environmental permits for limited environmental testing may be required in addition to the notification. The general rules to apply for the Geothermal system installed after July 1st, 2023, 15. These rules contain an environmental management activity that ultimate for includes geothermal system as the facilitating such specific legislation, in addition to the general legislation for the installation of the geothermal systems, such base lighting must also be considered. This includes nature conservation law, soil conservation law, professional environmental regulation, water management approval, and railway law, and just local regulation. This is about the privacy measures of adjustment for energy transition. The Adjustment Survey of the Netherlands developed the Jazz Geothermal Regulation Petition Map by the creating an annual map of the Netherlands. It translated geological data and knowledge into the surface model and showed depth signals and permeability and temperature maps of local area for which ground heat can be recharged. This is about the qualification assessment systems and establishments for soil management. This is one of the measures to improve soil management. It includes the three aspects: government quality improvements, stress supervision and enhancements, and the soil and material adaptation program. It's about soil energy legislation and regulation. A soil energy system adaptation and installation rules for the installation and operation of the soil energy systems. The act distinguishes between open and closed adjustment systems. Open soil energy systems that extract groundwater always require a permit as a water actor with the soil energy system amendment regulation for attached to the permits the direct rules related to the region temperature and energy balance, among other things. Three is the quality of the soil energy system design, construction, and management. The soil qualification degree and release soil quality regulation regulate numbers of activity related to the design, construction, and operation. In the Netherlands, the city council is a competent authority for the construction of closed soil energy systems. The province is a complementary authority for open systems. This is a good practice of GESM for energy transition. Housing company once consider the GESM as a subsystem solution for some of its house. Then the type project to zero energy house has been built using GESM energy. Such house produce as much sustainable energy logical as consume. In 2022, the concept has been applied to 64 homes in Greenland. In 2023, another 24 houses will be built in Tabak, but the use of geothermal energy in buildings is intensive. For the Cherbourg project, the Sustainable Investment Subsidy for Energy and Island Efficiency is used where homeowners and business users can receive some subsidies for energy efficiency and sustainable measures in existing homes and business permits, which government and social make the investment cost more affordable. This is about the district development in Amsterdam Look is first street and first 1,300 house in the central lands was connected to the just managed storage system at the beginning of 2018. The first self-built house will be connected to all heating and network in May 2020 with their own just heating pump for heating and cooling. Amalant was one of the first garden companies in the Netherlands to use just management. As a result, the company became completely CO2 neutral. And in the recent year, it also started supply heating system for 24 girls, a school, a swimming pool near the not just necessary in Pinnacle Sports Century and 543 house. That's all. Thank you.